Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Google account is signed in and a valid payment method is on file. This avoids interruptions. Next, open the YouTube Music app or go to Music. YouTube. Calm and tap the profile menu. Choose Upgrade or Try Premium and follow the on-screen prompts to select YouTube Music Premium or YouTube Premium. Do this now so ad blocking becomes native. Once the subscription processes, ad playback is disabled across music streams. Once your subscription is active, open settings in YouTube Music and enable background play and downloads so playback continues with the screen off. Make sure you're signed into the same account on smart speakers and cast devices. Link them through the Google Home app to avoid account conflicts. Then, download key playlists or albums for offline listening. This guarantees ad-free playback even with spotty connection. These steps align device behavior and prevent unexpected ad prompts from other accounts. To finish, verify you're using the paid account only. Sign out duplicate Google accounts and restart the app so the subscription flags update. If ads still appear, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove stale data. This forces account revalidation. Make sure your subscription shows active in Google Play or Apple subscriptions before contacting support. If problems continue, gather screenshots of account status and payment receipt. This speeds resolution when you reach customer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.